Welcome to our channel. If you want to use Google Maps without an internet connection by enabling offline mode, follow these step-by-step instructions to download maps. Step 1. Open the Google Maps app on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you're connected to Wi-Fi for faster download speeds when saving offline maps. Step 2. Tap on your profile picture or initial in the top right corner of the Google Maps interface to access your account menu. Step 3. Select Offline Maps from the menu options to view your currently downloaded maps and access the download feature. Step 4. Tap. Select your own map to choose a specific area you want to download for offline use. You can also search for a location first. Step 5. Adjust the selection box on the map to cover the area you need for offline navigation. The app will show you how much storage space the selected area will require. Step 6. Once you're satisfied with the selected area, tap Download at the bottom of the screen to begin saving the map data to your device. Step 7. Wait for the download to complete. Larger areas will take longer to download and use more storage space on your device. Step 8. Your offline map is now saved and will automatically be used when you have no internet connection. Google Maps will update your offline maps automatically when connected to Wi-Fi. You can manage your offline maps by returning to the Offline Maps section. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.